Welcome to the enchanting world of crystals. These aren't just beautiful stones, they are repositories of powerful energy. For centuries, ancient cultures revered crystals, utilizing them for healing and protection. Nowadays, many individuals continue to use these stones to bolster their well-being and foster positive energy. It's important to remember that crystals absorb energy from their surroundings, which means they can also pick up negative vibrations over time. To ensure your crystals maintain their purity and potency, cleansing and charging them is essential. By doing so, you allow the crystals to work at their full potential. Think of it like this. Just as you need to clean a physical tool to keep it working optimally, you need to cleanse your crystals to maintain their energetic clarity. Cleansing your crystals is akin to hitting the refresh button. It removes any accumulated negativity and is the first step to effectively working with their energy. There are numerous methods to cleanse crystals, each offering unique benefits. One popular approach is using running water. Simply hold your crystal under cool running water for a minute or two. As the water flows, visualize the negative energy washing away. You can use a stream, a river, or even your tap water. Another effective method is smudging. Light a sage stick or Palo Santo wood and gently pass your crystal through the smoke. This smoke is believed to carry away negative energies, a practice rooted in ancient traditions and still widely used today. The sun and moon are not only celestial bodies, but also powerful sources of energy that can cleanse and charge your crystals. Sunlight is particularly effective for cleansing. You can leave your crystals in a safe place where they can soak up the sunlight for a few hours. However, be cautious, as some crystals, like amethyst, can fade if exposed to direct sunlight. It's always wise to do your research or consult a crystal guide before exposing them to sunlight. On the other hand, moonlight is gentler and ideal for charging crystals with feminine energy. Simply place your crystals outside or on a windowsill during a full moon. The moon's gentle rays will recharge your crystals overnight, offering a natural and accessible way to cleanse and charge. Earth's embrace grounding and purifying. The earth itself is a powerful energy source. Burying your crystals in the earth is a wonderful way to cleanse and ground them. Find a spot in your garden or a potted plant. Dig a small hole and bury your crystal, ensuring it's completely covered with soil. Leave it there for at least 24 hours to allow the Earth's energy to neutralize any negativity. This method connects your crystals to the Earth's grounding energy. It's also a beautiful way to symbolize a fresh start for your crystals. After removing your crystal from the Earth, rinse it with water to remove any dirt. Sound healing, vibrational cleansing. Sound healing is another effective way to cleanse your crystals. Sound creates vibrations that can break up stagnant energy. Use a singing bowl, tuning fork, or even a bell. Hold your crystal in your hand or place it nearby. Strike the sound instrument and allow the sound waves to wash over the crystal. Visualize the sound vibrations clearing any negative energy. This method is gentle yet powerful and can be very restorative for both you and your crystals. You can find singing bowls and tuning forks online or at many spiritual shops. Experiment with different sounds and see what resonates with you. Other methods. Exploring different techniques. There are many other methods you can explore to cleanse and charge your crystals. Using a selenite plate or charging crystal is a popular option. Place your crystals on the selenite or charging crystal for a few hours or overnight. Selenite is known for its high vibration, which can cleanse and recharge other crystals. Another method is using visualization. Hold your crystal in your hand and visualize a bright white light surrounding it. Imagine this light dissolving any negative energy and infusing the crystal with positive vibrations. Ultimately, the best method is the one that resonates most with you. Trust your intuition and choose the techniques that feel right for you and your crystals. Conclusion. Starting your crystal journey. Cleansing and charging your crystals is an essential part of working with their energy. By incorporating these practices, you ensure that your crystals are always working at their highest potential. Experiment with different methods and discover what works best for you. Remember, the most important ingredient is your intention. As you cleanse and charge your crystals, set clear intentions for their use. Whether you're seeking healing, protection, or simply want to enhance your well-being, crystals can be powerful allies on your journey.